There's a town called Telekubukazo in my district. Somewhere early 2021, it came to our attention that right in the center of town, Galamsey activity was going on. So I convened a dissect meeting on Sunday.
Now, why are we surprised when you say in the center of town? Because we have seen Galamsey in the compounds of homes, actually in bedrooms. Yes, go on.
So I called a dissect meeting because it's quite serious. So on a Sunday, trying to strategize how we'll go and then do an operation on a Monday. On that Sunday at the dissect meeting, my divisional commander says, on that Monday that I'm planning the operation, there's a certain funeral in a certain town where the police have been asked to attend, so they will not have enough men for the operation. So we should postpone it. Then I come home, I call my regional minister, that, Honorable Minister, this is a problem that we are facing. The Galamsey is going on right in the center of town, and it's so bad that we need to move. So he advises, and this is Honorable Kobna Ochidako Mensah, who has also recently been accused of being behind Galamsey, because it's an easy target for politicians to be targeted. He advises that, look, call another dissect meeting on Monday morning. And this time, don't mention that you are going for an operation. Right from the dissect meeting, move your entire dissect to the operation site and then go and do the operation. So I call another dissect meeting Monday morning. I have all my divisional commander, district commander, crime officer, all in attendance. Then I send a BNI officer to go to the site, to go and wreck it, to find out what the operation they are doing their Galamsey. He sent me a message while the meeting is going on that they are there, 2 excavators. So immediately I direct that let's go to the site. And that site is just a few kilometers away from the office. So we move from my office to the Galamsey site. And the video is there, maybe your producers may want to show it. Then we'll find 2 excavators busily working in a bridge that is being constructed to connect the old site to a new site. Immediately I realize that this is a Galamsey operation. So I shout at the commander, Commander, arrest him, arrest him. Then we arrest the financier, not the main person.
Better.
Yes. So we arrest him, hand him over to the police. That night, I had to switch off my phone. The number of calls that were coming, everybody speaking on behalf of the Galamsey. I said, no, I won't do it. So we detain him in the police stairs in the microphone and then process him for court the next day, 24th of
Remember,
March.
it's police. You don't have any control there. So don't say we, they.
Because I was a complainant, so I took a state.
That's all you do. You are done. Your job is done. You can't dictate
so on the 24th of March, they go to court, and then the chief of the town appears in court to testify on behalf of the Galamseyer that they are not doing Galamsey, and that and this is a court record of proceedings I have here. The chief says he gave them the order to do the certain, and that they are not doing Galamsey. So because I wasn't present in court, the judge, who didn't know the fact, then instruct that they should go back and continue the deserting under the supervision of the District Assembly, because the project was for the development of the town. I get wind of it. So the next adjourned court date, 7th April, I will go to the court myself with my BNI officer. And once the case is called, I raise up my hand. The lawyer didn't want me to speak, because obviously he knows that I'm coming to throw a bombshell. Then I insist. So the magistrate gives me the respect, out of respect, as being a DCE, because like you said, I have no hand in the case.
You don't have right of audience, actually.
Exactly. But
because it's the state that is prosecuting, and it's the prosecutor who has audience with the court. It is the prosecutor who must decide that they need to bring you in as a witness or something of the sort. But because you were the complainant,
yes,
you could be allowed.
Exactly. So the magistrate allowed me. Then I made a case that they were not doing the certain, that I led the arrest, that they were actually doing Galamsey. They had a washing plant right there, and there's a video to that effect, which I can provide to the court. So then the magistrate now understands the case and said, okay, in that case, then the previous order that they should go continue with the deserting
has been vacated.
Yes, and that the matter should be referred to ADI, because it became an issue between me and the chief exchanging words in court, in open court.